morning, students. Welcome to the online classroom offered by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Sudevi, your maths teacher. Yesterday, we dealt how to convert long statements to mathematical equations. That is from the chapter 4, Symbol Equations. Hope you understood the concepts very clearly. Now you are capable of converting long statements to mathematical equations. So what will be the topic today? Today you are going to convert mathematical equations to long statements. That is the reverse operation which you have studied yesterday. The same words and same symbols you will be using today also. So let us see how to convert mathematical equations to long statements. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Welcome to the world of algebra. You know which chapter we are dealing with. Simple equations. So let us go to the today's topic. What equation is? From the chapter Simple Equations. Yesterday you learned how to convert long statements to mathematical equations. So let us see what you are going to deal with today. Convert the following equations in statement form. First question. X minus 5 equal to 9. Students, which is the operation done here? You can see subtraction sign here. So the operation done here is subtraction. So the statement starts with subtract 5 subtracted from x gives 9. Again 5 subtracted from x gives 9. Next question. 5p equal to 20. Can you see any operations there? 5p. That means 5 into p. That is the operation done here is multiplication. 5 into p gives you 12. Or you can write it as 5 times a number p is 20. Yesterday you learned the word times means multiplication. So how can you write 5p equal to 20? You can write it as 5 times a number p is 20. Or simply you can write 5 multiplied by p gives you 20. Let us see the third question. 3n plus 1 equal to 1. 3n plus 1 equal to 1. In the first class, I have told you can see two operations in this equation. Can you tell me which are the two operations? Yes, this is multiplication and this is addition. 3n means 3 into n. That is, first you are multiplying 3 and n and the product is added to 1. So how will you write this as statement? The sum of 7 and 3 times a number n is 1. Students, just make a correction here. This is not 7. This is 1. This is 1. Okay. This is 1. The sum of 1 and 3 times a number n is 1. What is 3 times a number n? 3 times a number n means 3 multiplied by n. Okay. So how will you write 3n plus 1 equal to 1? The sum of 1 and 3 times a number n is 1. Next question. How will you read this equation? M by 5 minus 2 equal to 6. How many operations are there here? You have 2 operations here. Which are they? The first one is division and the second one is subtraction. Yesterday, how did you convert statement to equation for m by 5? Do you remember that? 1/5 of a number m. That is what we converted into m by 5. Once again, I'll tell you how did you convert statement to equation? 1/5 of a number m that we wrote as m by 5. Now, how will you write this? 2 subtracted from 1/5 of a number m, or you can write it simply as 2 subtracted from m divided by 5 gives you 6. 2 subtracted from m divided by 5 gives you 6. Next one. 3p plus 4 equal to 25. 3p plus 4 equal to 25. How can you write it? The sum of 4 and 3 times p is 25. Students, now compare the third and fifth question. Now compare the third and fifth question. How can you write? The sum of 1 and 3 times a number is 1. And here the sum of 4 and 3 times p is 25. You will get a doubt that here ma'am has written a number and here she didn't write a number. That is not a problem here. You can write either 3 times p or 3 times a number n. Both are correct. Here if you want you can write 3 times n. You can avoid a number. If you write a number n or you write 3 times n is correct. Don't make a confusion that both are different. Both are same. The sum of 4 and 3 times p is 25 is also correct. The sum of 1 and 3 times a number n is 1 is also correct. Students, from this you can understand that you can write an equation in statement form in different ways. The only thing you can make sure that the statement which you are writing, it can be converted into the same equation which is given to you. Okay. For example, I can write this 3p plus 4 equal to 25 in some other way. Can you tell me how? In the last class, that is class 6, you have learned the product of p and 3 is added to 4 gives you 25. What is that? The product of 3 and p added to 4 gives you 25. So, understand that whatever statement you are writing from an equation is correct unless you are not changing the operations dealt in it. We'll see the next question. Sixth one. 4p minus 2 equal to 18. 4p minus 2 equal to 18. How will you write it? 2 subtracted from 4 times p is 18. 2 subtracted from 4 times p is 18. Students, In subtraction operation, you should take care of what comes after from. In subtraction operation, you should take care of what is coming after from. Here, after from, what comes is what is coming in the first term, that is 4 times p. 2 subtracted from 4 times p is 18. Now 3m by 5 is equal to 6. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. 3 times m divided by 5 gives you 6. 3 times m divided by 5 gives you 6. This is how you read the equation itself, right? 3m by 5 equal to 6. That is what you have written in statement form. So students, confirm that you understand the operations given in the equation and you use the same operations in the statement also. Hope you understood it. Watch the video once again and copy down the lecture notes. The detailed notes are given at the end of the session. Copy it in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.